So let's see. Ooh, how can I put this? This is super soft. Look. This is so nice. Hi everyone, it's Coco Cook's channel, and today I would like to show you how to cook octopus. This is probably the easiest way, yet it's not the fastest way how to cook it. So for this recipe we will need, first of all, we will need octopus. I have tentacles here, as you can see. Nice. Then we will need a chili pepper. Here I have rosemary, thyme, some oregano. I also cleaned 6 cloves of garlic. I got 3 carrots here, and I got some asparagus. Asparagus is very nice for you, it's very healthy. And let's start doing it. So first thing first, we need a casserole with the boiling water. So it's right here. Here we have some boiling water. Let's add a bit of salt. A bay leaf. And now we'll take the octopus and we do like that. 1, 2, 3, and we'll leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes like that. So here I have oregano, rosemary and thyme. Let's add some olive oil into it. Great. Now let's take a chili, take a knife, top. Got it too. Let's take away half of the heat so it's not too spicy. And now we'll cut it. Not too small, just in chunks like that. Put it in. Now we'll put garlic in. Now we mix well with the olive oil and everything. So this is what we have. We'll take something that we will put into the oven. We'll take out our beautiful octopus. Just like that. Now we'll go for carrots. Go for asparagus. Now we'll take this. We put it mostly on the octopus, like that. We put extra olive oil on top. And now we'll put aluminum foil on top. Look at this beauty. And now this goes to oven for 150 degrees, 2 to 3 hours. Let's start with 2 hours. And with a miracle of time, we have our octopus done. Let's see. Let's see. That. It looks very good. Nice. Nice. So let's see. Ooh, how can I put this? This is super soft. Look. This is so nice. It's unbelievably soft. And it's just great. Just look at that. Now the last dish looks like this. This is the octopus. Not the last. The dish looks like this. It's octopus. It's super nice. It's very tender. Let me show you something. Just look how soft it is. What can I say? It's another amazing dish from me to you. Thanks everyone for watching me. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. If you don't like this, please hit the dislike button. Hit also the bell, the ring, so you know every time I have a new video. Comment below if you have anything to say, and thanks once again, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll show you my recipes later. Thank you, bye!